Hi, this is Sidel Howell with San Diego Home Care Supplies. This is our video series on compression garments, how to put them on, how to take them off, how to take care of them, and the best ones for your individual needs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Medi 2-in-1 and the Juzo EZ Pad to get your socks off more easily. The other end of this 2-in-1 device has a pocket right here, right? There's a little hole for your foot. So I'm going to take the tail, throw it down on the floor, and stick my foot inside that pocket. Okay? Now let the tail go, and just like you were to take off a sock normally, you're going to take the top band and peel it down like a banana. Usually that's where people get stuck. So you're going to take your fingers up inside and pull it down as far as you can, just a little bit more. You're going to take the tail, bunch it up like a ball, stick it underneath that part you just folded. Make sure you shove it way up inside. And then take just the top band, not the whole sock. Just take that top band past the heel like that. Again, toes up in the air and go backwards. I find it's easier to stand. If you're at home, you want to make sure you're holding on to a cabinet or something that's sturdy in the wall or against the wall, and you go backwards. Just like that. Comes right off. Magic. Thank you for watching. For more how-tos and tips and tricks on home medical supplies and equipment, subscribe to our channel and check out our playlist for more videos on this topic and more. From our family to yours, thank you for watching.